Okay, here's a short video on to help you create this part exercise 6-10, the locating finger. And I'm not going to create it for you. I'm just going to show you some shortcuts here. When I made the base, let me flip it around here. You can see I centered it on my origin. So it's on the x-axis, centered on the y-axis and the z-axis. Because everything on this one gets extruded from the front. I'll show you it's just a rectangular sketch constrained onto the x-axis and it's centered about the y-axis there. Okay, uh, the vertical, I did a profile of that and then extruded it both ways. Okay, so I just did that sketch and then extruded it both ways. The difficult part on this one is this circular cut. And I'll pull the sketch up for that so you can see it. I projected the geometry of that vertical piece, drew in my profile, and see it's dimensioned about a 16 millimeter radius circle. Okay, so the sides are tangent to that, but they're at an angle, and that determines the size of it all. Okay, and it's based on the top edge of that profile, which is missing. Okay, the notches are cut out of that. So I'll come around to the back and show you the sketch there so you can see how that works out. And then I just extruded it to the front to make that cut. Okay. The two chamfered corners, I just used the chamfer command. Did those. That's pretty easy. Well, I thought I was unsuppressing those things. Just do all those at one time. Now the holes, if you notice, these two holes are two different sizes. The one in the back is 8 millimeter, the one in the front is a 9 millimeter. So I created both of them and then mirrored them to the other side. And because I centered this on the y-axis, I was able to use that YZ plane to mirror those holes to the opposite side. Okay, so that's just a quick overview on some ways to create that. So I hope that helps you out.